Let's talk about linear equations and slope. So linear equations have two variables, usually variables x and y, but they can be anything. Those two variables represent the two axes on the Cartesian coordinate plane. Both of these variables have the exponent of 1. Remember when we talked about quadratic equations, the x always had a squared exponent. Here, when we talk about linear equations, or lines that are graphed, each variable has an exponent of 1, and we say the linear equations are of the first degree. Okay, linear equations form a line when graphed, hence the word linear, right? And the tiltedness of the graph line is called the slope. And slope we represent with the letter M. Don't ask me why, I think it's Latin. So, for example, when the line is going up, so if the line is going up, please draw these in your notes. We read lines from left to right, the same as we read words, then the slope will be positive. When the line is going downward, left to right, the slope will be a negative value. When we talk about a horizontal line, we say that the slope is 0. It's flat. We can walk without any difficulty going uphill or down. And when we have a vertical straight up, we say that the slope does not exist. Okay? It's straight up. All right, I would like you to review this information by doing the assignment listed here.